One of the product rules of exponents is when you have a multiplication problem with two numbers with the same base, but different exponents being multiplied together. The rule for this is that the base stays the same and you add the two exponents. So 3 to the power of 6 times 3 to the power of 4 is 3 to the power of 10. This rule applies whether the base is a number or a variable. For example, x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 4 equals x to the power of 3 plus 4, or 7. The reason for this is because x cubed, or x to the power of 3, is the same as x times x times x, whereas x to the fourth is x times x times x times x. Now when we are multiplying x by itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, it is x to the power of 7. If you would like a more in-depth explanation for why and how this works, as well as some full examples, please click on the long form video linked in the description below. And if this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye!